the exercise here, we have the code snippet which will create a toolbar like this with the label, text box and the push button. Okay, so here we are having this label, we are adding it to the parent, same way we are having text bar with the default CRS that we are setting here, and here we are having the push button, and this is all that widgets that we are having, and we are adding it to the CRS toolbar. Now we have this function. If you see, it is just reading the text from the text bar and pushing the info that you have entered this EPSG code. Instead of this, we want the layer to change the CRS based on whatever value entered by the user. So here it is 3857. If I say go, it should reproject the layer to 3857. And for this, we have given this hint here that you can just go to set CRS method, which is available under QGIS project. So here we have the set CRS method. If you further go to the attributes of this method, you see that we have to the input should be QGIS coordinate reference system. So here in the script, this is our text, but we want that text to be converted to the reference system, which if I go further to this, I see this. So this is how you can just assign that particular reference system to the text that we are having. So we already have the text. You can use this to convert that text to the reference system, and then you can use this method, QGIS project instance set CRS.
Yeah, so here we have the toolbar. What the idea is, every project has a CRS. If you want to change the CRS, here we have a nice nice text box. You can just enter the EPSG code, press go, and it'll change the project CRS. So if you change it to 3857, it's going to change the project CRS instead of you going and manually doing. So this is a way to kind of build a user interface that will trigger changes of your project CRS. There is enough instructions in the exercise in the hint, so you can try this out and see if you are able to trigger the change in the CRS through that.